So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, the 15th of August. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come down towards this 1020, found support, briefly broke above the 1073, broke below, had this consolidation, broke back above the 1073, 111, tested the 200 period moving average, brief pullback, didn't quite test the 1073 from the pullback, short stop acceleration momentum, built a bit of a flag, had a momentum follow through from the flag, but we didn't have that very strong follow through. Would have been looking from a flag here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Instead, what we are seeing is these smaller candles. Now these smaller candles tend to be indicative of pullbacks rather than reversals. So if we do continue to see these candles with small narrow ranges, possibly looking for that further continuation here to the upside on the US dollar Japanese yen. If that is the case, we're looking for a test of that 1160. If we do have sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 1160, the very next level of note here is a move up towards that 1215 on the US dollar Japanese yen. If, however, we do see an acceleration of momentum to the downside, if we start to see larger candles or greater persistence to the downside, we're looking for a move down towards our 111. We're also being aware of the 200 period moving average, which acts as resistance, majors act as support. But the very next horizontal level of note is at 111, and if we do see a follow through, felt to hold support in around at 111, we'll be looking for price head down towards that 1073 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. I suppose it is a pretty short distance towards that 1073, but the range of the US dollar Japanese yen hasn't been quite high. So if we do see an increasing volatility and an expansion of the range, we're looking for a move down towards that 1020 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. We have got the scaling on here correct. So what we have seen is we've had our highs, lower highs. We've had this sell side momentum broke below the previous lows. So we've tested the 1020 here. It came pretty close towards a test of that 200 period average. We've had a very strong sharp reaction here to the upside, further underlining the importance of that 110.20. So we've seen this strong momentum come into the market over the past couple of days. So again, if we do hold that 111, we are looking for that 1160, 1215, previously our high before we saw this retracement from a daily chart perspective. And if we do break beyond there, we're looking for a move up towards that 1252. Overall, previously we were in a bit of an uptrend. We broke the trend here to the downside, rejected, and we'll see if we do form lower highs again still, and see that slow decline in the US dollar against the Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.